JPY, but because the currency pair easily exceeded an option of approximately $21 billion around 140.00, weak at our short position and switched to Doden buy, reversing our position from short to long when the market trend changes. This trade performed well, and for the first time in a while, we had a satisfying trade that exceeded 20 million yen. However, the future direction of the USD/JP is unpredictable, with Fomc 26th and Boj 28th, also with head edition of the C-bond 27th, the reason no doubt the tide will be weak off high volatility. The focus from the 24th onwards will be on the following 12 points. FOMC, ECB Board, BOJ Monetary Policy Meeting. The Federal Reserve, FRB, has scheduled Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, the European Central Bank, ECB, has a regular meeting, and the BOJ Schuldengam Monetary Policy Meeting. Attention will be focused on these events. Will a 0.25% rate hike by the FRB is almost certain. The focus will be in the direction of monetary policy. Will be looking for in the statements as well as during press conferences with Fed Chair Powell and ECB President Lagarde. In response to June Consumer Price Index (CPI) results, there is an urgency for the BOJ to modify the yield curve control (YCC). A part of the raising measures, the inflation outlook is expected to be raised. Expectations for the lifting of easing measures remain strong. Yen selling may settle down. Conversely, surprising policy changes may lead to yen buying. Source of FXWIZARD. It is impossible to predict in advance how the currencies will move in response to all three central banks. First, we plan to observe the results, and if a trend appears, we will simply follow it. Pay attention to the Australian CPI. The Australian dollar remained careful due to its sharp price movements. At the Reserve Bank of Australia, RBA, board meeting held on 4th, it was indicated that both rate hikes and holding rates were considered, and the need for additional rate hikes will be discussed again at the August board meeting. The June Australian employment statistics were also released, showing good results, and the interest rate futures market is pricing in about 1 more rate hikes by the end of the year. However, with several important events coming the next week, the Australian dollar could be swayed in either direction depending on the results. The Australian Q2 CPI for April-June and June monthly CPI will be announced on the 26th, and the Q2 PPE for April-June will be announced on the 28th. For CPI, the market expects inflation to slow down from the previous period in both June and Q2. However, caution is needed if the results diverge from expectations. Source, Trade Web. Since CPI shaving the large impact in price movements in various countries, the Australian CPI should also watch it carefully, depending on the results. Webplan. Trade according to the trend. This week, it climbed Mount Hakadana Mori Prefecture, Japan. It took the rope to the pound when trekking near the summit. The beautiful natural environment and grand views were spectacular. The music for the departure and Darval after upways the barren forest, and the staff near the summit walk around jingling bear bells, so it seems quite likely tone counterbears, lol. There are a variety of plants living near the summit, not just Asian black bears, and the air is filled with the pleasant scent of various plants. Unfortunately, the view from the summit was obscured by deep fog, but view from halfway up the mountain, where we're deather upway, was breathtaking. If you're a mountain lover, you should definitely give it a happy face. Have a great weekend.